If you own a truck, you can't miss these incredible inventions that'll give you the best experience. Better Flow, as a pioneer, is one of the top truck accessories in 2024. It's been present in the market for the last 10 years, identifying weaknesses and developing various components with great energy and significant investments. Rising energy prices and high CO2 emissions require active measures. If you want to produce or use efficient trailers, aerodynamic improvements are essential. Now's the time for every responsible logistics manager to order economical and reliable aerodynamic components directly from the manufacturers. Better Flow aims to facilitate, accelerate, and bring to life the vision of reduced CO2 transportation in the commercial vehicle industry. It invites key industry players to work together to develop and manufacture aerodynamic components that can be integrated directly into the mass production of trailers worldwide. 1/3 of a long-haul truck's diesel consumption is dedicated to overcoming its own drag. Better Flow addresses this issue by optimizing trailer aerodynamics. If you liked Better Flow, just wait until you see the next invention that'll blow your mind. Transitioning to an all-electric fleet can be costly and risky for many companies, especially due to challenges such as existing diesel fleets, uncertainty about new technologies, and lack of charging infrastructure. With Tandem Centaur's instant hybrid solution, companies can safely and effectively transition to a more sustainable and profitable future and reap the benefits that'll follow. Meanwhile, the Tandem Power Pack is a modular system that enables zero-emission cold chain operations using existing tractors and trailers. This system provides the flexibility to use electricity without worrying about range, and to switch back to diesel when needed. In addition, it uses the electric idle capability to reduce fuel and maintenance costs while at rest. In summary, the Tandem Power Pack offers significant benefits to fleets by bringing those benefits to the road in a practical way. And speaking of practical, why not take a look at the next gadget for your truck? Looking for the coolest truck accessories? It's time to turn your vehicles into attention-grabbing magnets. Road Ads Interactive gives you the opportunity to showcase your vans, trucks, or buses through digital billboards. Use this tool to get the visibility your business deserves and connect directly with your target audience through digital vehicle advertising. With the ability to design and manage your ads online and in real time, your message is always up to date and geo-targeted to reach exactly where you need it. Whether you use digital vehicle wraps for product promotion, recruiting, or building a strong brand image, you can turn your fleet into an innovative communication channel that keeps you ahead of the competition. Great, right? But what about a digital system that improves your visibility on the road? Take a look at the next invention. The DAF Digital Vision System is one of the top inventions for trucks, as it's an innovative solution to improve visibility and safety when operating commercial vehicles. This option includes strategically placed cameras outside the cab, providing an enhanced direct view through the windshield and side windows, as well as improved rear visibility in various weather conditions. The calibration feature allows you to adjust the blue line to match the end of the trailer for optimal accuracy. The integration of interior displays makes it easier for the driver to view these images, providing valuable assistance during maneuvers, passing, and other driving situations. This technology not only enhances safety by providing a more complete view of the vehicle's surroundings, but also contributes to driver comfort by allowing adjustments to be made according to the specific needs of each situation on the road. And when it comes to comfort, the next invention will indeed become your best ally for comfort in your truck. Side-Eye, developed by Stone Ridge Orlaco, is one of the smart gadgets for trucks and represents an innovative solution to significantly improve road safety in urban environments. This integrated system of cameras and radar detection not only actively detects the presence of cyclists, pedestrians, and other road users in your truck's blind spots, but also proactively alerts you. Imagine being able to anticipate the presence of vulnerable users in complex traffic situations, such as turns and lane changes. Side-Eye provides early warning, allowing you to make informed decisions and prevent accidents at critical points in the road. This system is not only an essential tool for driver safety, but also a valuable contribution for creating safer and more user-friendly urban environments for all road users. This isn't the last invention you'll see today. We bet you the next one will be your favorite. SAF Tire Pilot Plus is an essential truck accessory that revolutionizes tire pressure management by not only controlling pressure through inflation, but also by maintaining uniform pressure across all wheels and relieving overinflated tires. This comprehensive approach results in optimal tire performance and increased operating efficiency. Tire Pilot Plus also features a rugged design that outperforms the competition with long-life components. This durability not only ensures consistent performance over time, but also reduces the costs associated with frequent maintenance and parts replacement. It's not just an advanced tire pressure management solution, it's a long-term investment in vehicle efficiency and performance. Say goodbye to tires and hello to truckers' favorite gadget. In a world where sustainability is key, and as a unique invention for trucks, the X possibilities for sustainable transportation focus on the innovative patented Flexitank system. This system allows you to transport a variety of products, liquid or solid, in a single vehicle, significantly reducing empty runs and carbon footprint. GMP Plus certification ensures that this combi container is ideal for the exclusive transport of agricultural products, meeting the highest standards of quality and safety. They're committed to providing efficient and customized solutions tailored to your specific transportation needs. You're not just providing a means of transportation, you're contributing to the sustainability and efficiency of the supply chain. The revolutionary Liquid X liner is designed for agricultural and industrial applications. Will trucks be unsafe forever? It's time to check out the next brilliant invention and find out. The innovative Power Unlock system from Q Products and Services. One of the top truck accessories is a remote-controlled bolt-type lock that takes cargo theft protection to the next level. With this system, KLLM can provide shippers with tangible proof that their products have not been tampered with in transit. KLLM's more than year-long relationship with Q Products and Services ensures the effectiveness and reliability of the Power Unlock system. Headquartered in Jackson, Missouri, KLLM is a leader in temperature-controlled transportation services, providing long-haul, regional, and dedicated service throughout the United States and Mexico. With 50 years of experience, KLLM excels in the safe and reliable transportation of perishable products, ensuring customer satisfaction nationwide. The retrofit system has the ability to transport significantly more natural gas than the truck's current tank, making it one of the best inventions for trucks. This results in an extended range for both natural gas only, CNG, and dual fuel vehicles when connected to this German innovation. Kogel's new CNG model has met this challenge by offering additional storage volume, either within the pilot box or between the chassis, with the aim of extending the reach of CNG technology to the long-haul market. In the realm of global freight transportation, the use of compressed natural gas, CNG, is a trend that no company can afford to overlook. And speaking of trends, the next brilliant invention is at the forefront of modern times. Blue Giant's HVR 303 strong arm system is one of those must-have truck gadgets, a wall-mounted electric vehicle restraint designed to effectively secure a trailer to the loading dock using an electromechanical hook. Easy and environmentally friendly to install, it combines advanced technology, positive restraint, and sophisticated touch controls to enhance loading dock safety. With a vertical holding range of 9 to 25 inches and an instant adjustment of 16 inches, the HVR 303 is versatile and adapts to a variety of trailers, even those with bent or damaged ICC bars. Its ability to automatically adjust to trailer movement makes it compatible with air suspension systems, ensuring a strong connection and reducing the risk of disconnection and workplace injuries. The HVR 303 strong arm provides a sustainable alternative to oil-based hydraulic systems. It can be integrated with Blue Giant's pneumatic dock levelers to provide a green solution. Not only does this option meet environmental standards, it also allows you to take advantage of government incentives and project the image of an environmentally friendly company. It's time to see today's last invention. Are you ready to see this incredible masterpiece? The open box C+ body, one of the most innovative truck modifications, stands out as Europe's first retractable sliding curtain that has successfully passed the rigorous EN 12642 XL code load security tests. It's also approved for beverage transport, adding an extra layer of versatility to this innovative product. Designed as a multifunctional, fully opening body, the open box C+ has been meticulously crafted to meet the expectations of the most demanding customers. It offers two modes of transport: Body folded at the front, ideal for transporting containers and oversized goods on the platform. The extended tarpaulin configuration, ideal for transporting goods that require protection from the elements. Tell us which were your favorites. Let us know in the comments.